In this video, you'll be learning how to find the area of the sector. And in this particular example, we need to express our answer in exact value. So the formula to find the area of the sector is this. Area is equals to r squared theta divided by 2. R in here is the radius, and the angle theta is the central angle in radian. So in this particular given, we're given the central angle 60 degrees. So we need to convert this first in radian. So let's do that. 60 degrees should be multiplied by pi over 180 degrees. And let's cancel the degree. And this is 60 pi over 180. So this numbers ends with 0, so we can divide them by 10. So we got 6 pi over 18. And this is equivalent to pi over 3. If you found out that here that the greatest common factor is 60, then you can just divide 60 by 60 and you have 1 times pi is pi. 180 divided by 60 is 3. But if you can find it so quick, you can look at the ending number. If the last digit or the first digit here, the one in the ones place ends with 0, this is divisible by 10. So just divide first by 10, divide 180 by 10, and then from here you can easily spot that 6 and 18 are both divisible by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1, 1 times pi is pi, 18 divided by 6 is 3. So after knowing our theta, we need to put that in our formula. So area is equals to r, which is 10 raised to the second power times pi over 3 divided by 2. So this is also the same as 100 times pi over 3. And remember, we're dividing by 2. So dividing by 2, class, is the same as multiplying by 1/2. Dividing by 2 means multiplying by 1/2. So this is now equal to, you can do cancellation here if you want. 100 divided by 2 is 50. So it's 50 pi over 3. But if you can see it that way, you can multiply them across. 10 times pi times 1 is 100 times pi times 1 is 100 pi over 1 times 3 times 2, 6. But you need to still simplify that. This is divisible by 2 because they are both even numbers. So we have 50 pi over 100 divided by 2 is 50. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And our unit is inches squared. It's inches. But if you see that here that you can divide this, you can do cancellation, then it will be easier. You don't need to do this. You don't need to do the steps over here. Okay, the last example is easier than the first one because the given central angle in here is 3 pi over 2. So if the one being asked for is this one, if this is 3 pi over 2, this one will be pi over 2. How do we know that? So the whole circle from here up to 1 revolution can be expressed as 2 pi. Why? Because we know from our previous lesson that pi is equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, if you multiply pi by 2, that will become 2 pi. 180 divided by 2, that's 360 degrees. So if you're given 3 pi over 2 over here, how are you going to find the corresponding theta over here? We're going to subtract 2 pi, because that's 1 revolution. Going to subtract 2 pi by 3 pi over 2 so that we can find this theta here. Okay. So how do we subtract this? Always remember that in subtraction or addition of fraction, we have to make sure the denominators are the same. So we need to multiply this by 2 so that is the same as the denominator here. But don't forget to multiply also the 2 pi by 2. So 2 times 2 pi is 4 pi over 2 minus 3 pi over 2. And that is equals to pi. And just copy the common denominator. Okay, so let's compute our area of the sector. Area of the sector is r squared, so our r is 4. And then our theta is pi over 2. And divide our answer by 2, because that's our formula here. So we have 16 pi over 2. Then we have divided by 2 at the bottom here. So to divide by 2 means to multiply by 1/2. So over here we can simplify this as 8 pi times 1/2. So 8 times 1 is 8 multiplied by pi over 2. So 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4 pi, and our unit is centimeter squared.